your TTC journey and you are trying to figure out something new and something to try to help you conceive, well, I have the smoothie recipe for you. And this recipe is what my husband and I use to conceive our little one. And so if you want to see what all goes into this smoothie to help you along on your TTC journey, then definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys, I know you guys are here for the smoothie, but first let me give you a quick disclaimer. I'm not a physician. I did not consult with a physician, but if you are going to be trying any new supplements, especially with this smoothie, definitely reach out to your physician to see if that is something that you can take and it is healthy for your TTC journey. And that is very, very important. I would hate for anything to happen because you've seen something on a YouTube video. And so I also would like to tell you guys, in conjunction to me taking the smoothie once a day, I would take this in the morning. I would also take this with a prenatal vitamin. My husband also changed his diet as well. And so he took black seed oil every day, as well as Irish sea moss. My husband and I do not have any issues with fertility, but we did want to increase our chances of fertility. So those are the things that we wanted to do. And I figured that this is something good to share because there's plenty of people out here on their TTC journey, and hey, try something different. And plus, this is something healthy too. Get into the recipe of this smoothie. You guys, it is super simple and you will love it. All right, so first things first, you guys, is you're gonna need some pineapple chunks. I like using the canned pineapples. If you like fresh, you can use fresh, or you can use frozen. Me personally, I like the can. Next, you guys, you're going to need some vanilla yogurt. Whatever kind of yogurt that you like, I prefer vanilla, and this is just what works for me. And so I use just one container of vanilla yogurt. You're gonna need a cup of ice, and so you'll need that. I also used flaxseed. I just did one spoonful of this, so I just measured out with a big spoon that you have in your utensils, so kind of like what you use for your cereal. So 1 spoonful of this. And this, you guys, is what makes all the difference. This maca powder. Maca root is linked by ancient times to help with fertility. I ended up purchasing this from off of Amazon, and I just use 1 spoonful of this as well. It is considered a superfood. Once you do conceive, or if you are pregnant, I would suggest that you do not take maca root, just because it hasn't been linked to hindering anything with pregnancy. But I've also seen a lot of things that say once you have conceived, please stop consuming the maca root. And so you ain't gotta tell me twice. That's what I did. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I throw this in here. And then also, you guys, you can add any liquid, so any fruit juice, any water, any milk, however you want to make your smoothie a more smoother consistency. Now that is what you will do. So let's get to making this smoothie. right, you guys, cheers. And this is what your smoothie is going to look like. Be aware, you guys, the maca root, it definitely has a nutty taste. So feel free to add any sweeteners or things of that nature to your smoothie. I personally like to leave the juice from the can in there, and sometimes I do add a splash of orange juice, just depending on how it tastes. But I would drink one of these a day, as well as taking my prenatal vitamins, and you guys, it definitely made a difference with my TTC journey. All right, you guys, so like I said, that is the smoothie that I used to conceive my little one. I'm hoping that this smoothie helps you as well. Let me know down in the comments below if you've tried it. And I'm wishing you guys all of the baby dust. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. And talk to you soon. Bye.